Okay, let's do this. Remember PolyMatter, the best guy on YouTube? Not that one. Not that one. No. That one. Remember when he said,
Fahrenheit is just plain better.
well, that made millions and millions of... Oh, it has less than 30,000 views? What's going on here? Anyways, it made around 30,000 of his real fans very, very angry. And I am here to say, Mr. PolyMatter, you are plain wrong. This video is brought to you by no one, cause you have not subscribed and I can't be approved for a YouTube partnership. Even though I can follow my non-American, Celsius-loving, meter-using, football-saying mind to blindly disagree with one of my favorite channels, I will do my research and deal with this professionally. At least, I'll try. First and foremost, if the fact that Australia almost burnt to ashes, millions of species became extinct, and millions displaced in Bangladesh is in the smallest possible way attributed to 38 degrees does not sound as alarming as 100, then I believe we all deserve to swim to work every day. For the same reason, I believe that 6 a.m. in the morning should be changed to 12 a.m. and 7 a.m. be 1 a.m., just like Ethiopians use it. It just makes the most sense that cold temperature is 0 degrees and hot is 100 degrees Celsius. Everything is indeed arbitrary, but almost 7 billion people have agreed that they want the normal arbitrary instead of the weird one. However many good evidences anyone can dig out, and how many times Americans say we landed on the moon first, Fahrenheit along with the rest of the imperial system is just plain wrong. If it's going to take giving up the Celsius scale to stop hearing Americans say, I live in a 100 bald eagle heads wide apartment, stay 12 hot dogs apart, and I am driving at 60 donuts per Fahrenheit, then I guess we would rather move to Mars. You get it? Because neither is a good choice, right? Yeah? Okay. Sorry, I said I'd try. Anyways, have fun. And tomatoes aren't vegetables.